Hello, and welcome to another episode of Jazz with Mrs. Jessica. I am so excited to show you how I turned my horrible looking eyebrows into a masterpiece, and I didn't even have to get a wax job. Aren't they cute? All you need is an angled brush, eyebrow pomade of your choice, a blending sponge, and concealer. Now, before you apply any form of makeup, it is very important to make sure that your face is clean and dry. So I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm making sure that I get the excess oil and dirt from my face before I apply anything on it. Then I'm going to use some tea tree oil to spray on my face and my moisturizer. When applying your moisturizer, be sure to apply it in an upward position so that you'll avoid creating wrinkles. All done. Now we're going to grab our pomade and our brush and we're going to begin to shape our eyebrows to our liking. The fun thing about this is you're able to create your eyebrows as thick as you want them or as thin as you want them. It is all up to you. So I realized I have a pimple all in the camera. Don't mind it. But I can say if you do have pimples or acne problems, don't pick your acne. It will only leave scarring. So just make sure that you find you a good regimen that's good for your skin to help with your acne issues. So now that we've got that brow completed, we're going to go ahead and start on our next brow. And we're just going to repeat the same steps as we did the first time, just to make sure that our brows are similar. Your brows will never be twins, but they can be sisters. All done. Now both of my brows are completed, and now it's time to go in with our concealer. When choosing your concealer shade, you want to make sure that you choose the color that is 2 shades lighter than your skin. And what concealer does is conceals. It conceals any imperfections or anything that you are trying to cover up. In this case, we're trying to cover up hairs that are growing back that we haven't gotten a chance to get removed. We're going to take our blending sponge and we're going to pat our concealer in just like so. Concealer also helps with if you make any mistakes with your eyebrow pencil or your eyebrow pomade, the concealer will help create a more natural look. And just like that, we're all done. My brows are nice, neat, and clean. And I didn't even have to get a wax job. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another episode of Jazz with Miss Jessica. Please be sure to share, like, and comment, and also email me at jjohnson@mcls.ms with your ideas for the next episode of Jazz with Miss Jessica. Bye.